Aha! You guys were starting to think I couldn't do the complicated tricks, weren't you? Yeah, that's a new one, I think. Get your fingers around that. Here, have it again. Okay, so use the slow-mos. I will say something for this one because it is an advanced trick. The only tips I can give you with it is every time you do it, it's a bit different. You have to feel your way through the trick. Lever the knife like you would do with a regular Rurnax. Anyone who knows this already knows what I'm talking about, obviously. But you can lever your fingers. Then you can do less swinging and you can really pull it around, you know. Really, that's all I can tell you. Make sure when you're doing the initial swing to bring it around over here, you have a good tight grip, because it just goes flying out over there. Okay, cheers.